When I joined CTS Tech, I did not expect as a tester I would get to do things that I really like, and that they actually looked at my CV, knew what I like to do.
When I joined CTS Tech, in the next 6 months, I was given this opportunity to travel on site, to be there at the client site for a month, understand their application, their processes, and then come back and continue the project. It really helped me develop my management skills, and that's been amazing.
I came here with zero knowledge of healthcare, and today I think I worked on some of the best EMRs in the industry. I worked with some of the large hospitals.
I remember when I joined 4 years ago, we were just about 100 plus people, and I've seen this growth with my own eyes in just about 4 plus years, right? After I've joined, we are almost hitting 1,000.
I was just one individual working as a tester, and now I lead a team of 20 plus testers within like a span of 2 years, which is again something is a very big leap career-wise.
Being a working woman and a mother of 2 children, I think the flexibility that the organization provides, the support that they provide is absolutely remarkable. It just makes life easy. It makes you more committed and motivated. It just gives you a reason to come back to work every day with a smile on your face.
It's not surprising to me that CTS Tech gets the best place to work award. Every award that CTS Tech wins is something that I feel that I have won. I have contributed to that.
If I have to pick one thing which stands out at CTS Tech vis-a-vis other organizations that I work, is the people that are here. And when I say people, I'm including everybody right from the level of the CEO and the executive management down to the last office boy that we have here in the office.
The difference I found at CTS Tech is that you're actively encouraged to go out and come up with these ideas. They will back you to go ahead and submit your abstracts to papers to international conferences where there are over 50,000, 100,000 participants. And then they'll actually fund you to go there, have a look, present your paper, talk with the peer group of essentially the movers and shakers in the healthcare space. And that in itself is a fantastic learning opportunity. Company with a vision. It has a clear vision of where they want to be in 2 years, in 5 years, in 10 years, and it's great to be a part of that.
We develop and deliver healthcare. Why this is important? Because this generally deals with patients who are people who have jobs, responsibilities, families. So what we do directly, indirectly affects them. Now that is some huge impact.
And I wouldn't be surprised if another few years from now, right, we'll be giving these big IT companies a run for their money. I think we're already doing that.
There is no other place that I can think of working. It's just so used to this place, and I just love being here.
The people here are so approachable, so friendly.
I really love working here.
I'm really very proud to be a citizen.
I'm really proud to be a citizen.